Hey everybody, I'm Ralph Das. I'm one of the core developers of NUI Snowflake Suite. Today we are going to show you something really cool. It's called the Interactable Component, which we made for Flash CS3 and CS4. So let's get started. Well, what we're going to create today is a rotatable, scalable picture, like seen in many multi-touch demos. It's a picture which you can easily rotate, scale up, scale down, but also rotate with multiple points. In this case, it's a picture of Earth probably from some NASA space photo. What we're going to do today is make this with use of the new interactable component. So see, it has some nice inertia, so in rotation, and can throw it around a bit. Let's see. Here it has some friction control. It's a nice thing. So let's build this. It's really simple. Going to Flash. Already set up a little demo here. It's an empty document. What I'm going to do is import some component. I did that already here in my library. Imported the two main components. One is the connection component and the other one is the interactable component. These come out of my component set. What I'm going to do is just drag these onto stage. For the connection component, I'm currently only needing to put an instance in it. So, connection. And for the interactable, I need to set some more parameters. For example, what I want to show inside of it. So, I'll call this image, and I will put here at the parameter linked content. I can put the linkage name of the picture in this case, which I want to include. So I'm going to, this picture in my library, I'm going to add that. So I'll make a linkage. So I export for action script, and I'm going to call this just simply Earth. And if I put in here Earth, and for the rest, there's not much to change. What you can do in here is like define what type of media you want to include. If it's going to be rotatable, if it's going to be scalable, or it's going to be scrollable or draggable. In this case, I want it all. So I'm going to put that, just throw it in here somewhere. Doesn't really matter where. And as you can see, if I run this now, you can see that the connection with the tracker failed, but since I have this now nice new feature where I can simulate touches with mouse input, it's still working really well. Scale up, scale down, rotate, maybe even throw it around a bit. So basically done. So again, we showed today that without a single line of code, you can come up to a simple demo. You can, of course, make more elements, but just dragging in more components or instances of this component. If you want more information about NUI Snowflake Suite, you can always go to www.natural-ui.com. And thanks for your attention.